Hey drip droppers, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a tour of my home studio. Makes it sound like I have a second studio, but I don't. I'm just a regular grandma. I'm a business person. I work 40 hours a week. The art that I do is something that I'm inspired to do that I do on the side, but I also sell it. And I do classes. So I want to have a really beautiful environment that I'm working from. If it's messy and there's paint everywhere, then I have a hard time getting going. I just go, oh, it's a big mess, and I get busy cleaning up the mess. So I like to keep it really clean and kept. And so I'm going to show you today how I've set it up and what I do. And I've made my own tables. Can you believe that? Here we go. All right, so here is my basement, and you're looking at the two tables that I made. And the tables have on them, they have all the recording equipment and the lights that I put on. Let's see if I can kind of describe. So I made these tables, and I have a video on that too. Behind me is the cupboards. I've got a little heater there for when it gets cold down there. I wanted to go over and show you how I store my This Little Piggies. I actually put them on, I put little magnets on them, and I store them on the refrigerator, so they're really easy for me to spot and want to work with. And then in the drawer, I keep some of the paint that I've made up. That's a This Little Piggy list that I can consult to figure out which ones I want to do. I've got some extra stuff in there. And then here's where I keep the paints I'm going to be making up for my next project. So I've got a little work to do to get those ready. And I've got some cookie cutters in there too that I like to use for different pours that I do. This is my drying table. I've got a few things dry here that I'm getting ready to resin, but I just wanted to show you how I do that. And I have a drying rack. And again, here's my table with the equipment that I use. It's got little bins underneath it. To the left, I store all my the little spoons and things. And you can see here, this is where I store different things that I need. I love this, and I show in a future video, or in a different video, how to make this table. It's so easy to make. I've got a little cord going to the wall. There's my Resiner's purifier there to make sure that my air is suitable and clean. And then there's my Resiner's bubbler I got for Christmas, but I haven't taken the bubbles out yet with. I'm going to. Behind that is a rack I use with some extra tools and things that I use quite often, but I don't know where to put away yet. I can live with that. Eventually I'll get rid of all those. Oh, here's outside the door, and just how beautiful it is. The lake that I live on. Oh, it's so cold here. Oh, my little dog's coming in. It's 10 degrees here right now, I think, so it's cold. But you can see how, and I have guests over, I want to have it be really beautiful. The treadmill for working out, and yes, we use it. Got my little trash can to the left there, keep it out of the way. Now, the left side, this is where I work on jewelry. Oh, and you can see my, right there, I don't even know what that thing is you call it, your filtration system that I put on when I work. Here's where I work on jewelry. So I've got kind of my own little jewelry central right here. Got a little chair and everything there. I sit down and I make jewelry like this that I'll sell at the shows. This is my desk where I actually work every day full time, and where I run my art business out of. And then a dehumidifier, which I really need at certain times of the year. Some projects I'm working on. And I love this little sideboard because I can keep different kinds of paints and things that I access all the time that I don't want out. And here's where I keep like my Amsterdam tube paints, all, I keep it all right here. Here's where some more paint that I've made up that I'll be using in the next couple days. And then the golden paints, anything that's fluid goes in that one. And then here we've got just more storage that I use. I put everything away. I like to keep it all really nice looking so that it makes me want to come down and paint pour. It's just great. If you want to see how these tables are made, let me know. I just actually made the second one today. So I'm going to have a video on how we do them, but I think just really proud of this. Here are my lights and my cameras. I kind of wanted to show you those. They're just attached to the side of the tables that I made. And you can see how great that is. I moved them apart so you can see that even on the second one, you can see how easy it is to move. I moved it there to show you. Now, I don't have anything in there yet because I made this table today. So simple to make. And I've been busy filling it with the things that I want to go in it. But I just love this. Got a little bit of my art on the wall. Yeah, so that's my art studio. Hope this gives you some ideas for your own art studio. Take care, stay well.